As you may know, I'm living in a small single room, which really don't look visually appealing for creating YouTube videos and studying. Empty walls, lack of light source, dust all over the place, and too many clothes I haven't washed. Straight up boring as fuck. The only effort I made so far in order to make the room look better was cleaning my room every 3 days and also using my monitor light as a source in my room. Pretty lazy, right? As we have vacated from school, I'm going to spend most of my time in my room and film majority of my videos right here at home. I thought to myself, why not turn your boring room into a dope ass high-end room and a YouTube studio? That's what I'm going to do. So let's get started. First and first, I have to remove everything from the room.
That wasn't an easy task. Now we are done removing anything. It's time for me to clean everything up and we will start the painting. So let's get started.
Now let's talk about these sad blank walls. Paint can work some serious magic, so I'm gonna give them some fresh coat of something cool. So I went with dark gray color, which will make the wall a bit sleek and reflect my style. Okay, so I saw a pretty cool bed frame online and I wanted to try it for myself. So I think this is the best time to build one for myself. This bed actually kind of cool because it's gonna look like it's floating off the ground about 6 inches, and it's gonna have some glowing RGB lights which is going to give it a floating effect. And if you want me to make a video on how I made this one for myself, you can just comment below. I decided to find a sweet spot for my bed which will give me more space and maximize both comfort and filming potential for my YouTube videos. I made a simple fancy shoe rack which looks cool. It's very hard to face it. We can't forget about these little details to make a bigger difference, like some sweet wall frames to showcase our personality. And over a few years, I decided to go with this follow your passion, which has really helped me to follow the things I love in order to be happy. And after some few patches, adding light strips and also adding some few things to the room, it's time for what you have been waiting for.